Good day everybody, and welcome to Motor Yacht Unbridled. My name is Stefan.
And my name is Matt, and on this episode we're going to be cleaning C strings.
Like that. Like that. Like that.
Like this. Everybody wants a piece of my shit like that. Everybody wants to be a G, that's fat. Posting pictures, spending it